guys, welcome back to another video from Car Help For You. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the wing mirror on a Seat Ibiza. This is a 2015 model and I've never done one before, but my friend claimed he had, and you had to take the door card off, and the door card comes off with all the regulators, the motors, everything. You've got to strip the door, it's part of the door card. So I've done exactly what he said, got in there, and there's not a chance I can get up there and see the bolt that's in that corner up there. This even meant taping the window, so if you look just there, you can see I went ahead and I taped the window. However, the easiest way to do it, which I would have known if I'd looked at the new wing mirror, so this is a replacement one that we got from eBay, and if you look at the bottom, there's just a bolt coming through this way, which means it must thread from the top, and it does. I didn't look at this, but if I take you round, it is a very, very easy method. You can see I've already got it off here. Well, his one was in about 3 different pieces. However, I apologise for the snow. It is really cold around here today and we are outside again. So it just bolts into there, and it is, you will need a Torx T40 bit. And it goes, so this is basically on there like that. And I apologise, I don't even know why the camera isn't wanting to focus now. So it's basically this hole here that has the screw in it. If I go there, maybe the lighting will get a bit better. There we are. So it's inside of there. All you want to do is turn your wing mirror so it's open, I think it was. Well, this one's snapped, but on the other one I'm sure it's no, it's closed inwards. Get you access to a rubber. You want to pry that rubber away a little bit, get a T40 into it and take it off. Do it by hand. Once you've got it off there, you've got this wire little connector here, which what you want to go ahead and do is unclip it here, feed it through the old wing mirror, and then this wire here will stay and connect into the new wing mirror. So you'll feed it back down the new wing mirror into there, connect it up, put it all back together, tighten it up, and put the cap back on if you haven't got one. If you've got one, obviously our one's white, so we're waiting for a new cap to arrive from eBay. I'll spray it white and put it back on. But anyway, guys, you don't need to go ahead and take all the door cards off like there's a few other people saying. And once I took the door card off and I realised I can't see it from there anyway, because the wing mirror hadn't actually arrived, my friend had got to go collect it from his house. I just jumped onto YouTube quickly, and on YouTube again I was finding ones that were saying take the door card off, but you don't need to take the door card off. There's no reason why you need to be inside that door. Unfortunately, I've made the mistake, but I've made it so you don't have to make it. Anyway, this is the best way to do it, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.